So if I tell you like at this moment that I have a boyfriend, what would be your reaction? Like you know what situationships are. To be fair, my dad is not your first love, right? Pucho, do you know the meaning of V card? So do you think there is a right age to have sex? But sex is a thing, like it is a thing, like the two bodies go like. These days there is a trend which is called a hookup culture.
Do you really think that would last?
Like what exactly do you expect from your child? Like
Have you done something like as rebellious, like more rebellious than that as a child?
but like if you've done all of that in your years, and if we do that now, why do we get shouting? Like why do we get scolding?
आप लोग जैसे tantrums throw करते हो.
Some parents को अगर मैं open up करूँ तो मेरे को तो forever ground कर देंगे. ऐसा होता है. So you know how it's a universal thing कि मेरी मम्मी को एक particular friend या चीजों के बारे में bad feeling आ रही है. Like clock it.
तो अटली वाइट क्यों दिख रहा है शाम?
She's going.
Sorry, Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. I am back with Savya again, and we have a very special guest, which is my mother. And today we're gonna be asking her questions that teenagers are usually too afraid to ask their mothers. And let's begin. Okay, my first question is, okay, before we start this video, we want to tell you that we have no intentions of like attacking you with questions, but these are basically questions that बाकी सब teenagers are too afraid to ask their mothers कि मतलब नहीं पूछ सकते, and we want a very open conversation. Okay?
I'm so scared, Devika. I can just see it.
Yeah. Okay.
I can see you shaking.
थोड़ी फट रही है guys मेरी. Okay. So if I tell you like at this moment that I have a boyfriend, what would be your reaction? Like, what would be your reaction? Like, what do you think about it? क्या लगता है?
Boyfriend?
Like, हाँ, right now, like I have a boyfriend. Like, मैंने किसी को successfully पटा लिया, and I'm dating someone. Like, what's your reaction? What do you think? Like, what's going on in your mind? Do you want to shout at me? Do you want to?
I don't think I'll shout at you. I would just want you to be safe. That's it.
But like, do you think some parents think that it's like a crime, or like they literally treat dating like they treat dating as like a crime कि भाई 17 साल की लड़की डेट कैसे कर सकती है? So do you feel that?
मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. मुझे लगता है 17 साल मीन्स पता है उसको कि वो क्या कर रही है, और उतनी तो समझ होगी तब जाके वो डेट वर्ड आता है सामने, और डेटिंग हम कर सकते हैं.
What are your thoughts about situationships? You know what situationships are?
Of course, yes. Situationships would depend on an individual.
So
right?
you think they're okay? Like they're okay? Like
I'm
committing?
okay with it.
I am not.
So both are you okay?
I am okay with.
So if I tell you that I'm in a situationship with a guy, like, is that okay?
Why not?
Why not? What do you?
Only difference is that Devika को कोई मिलता नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब देविका को कोई मिलता नहीं है, ये बात और
ये देविका की प्रॉब्लम है.
देविका को कोई झेल पाएगा कि नहीं, ये मुझे नहीं पता.
You will be okay. Like अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है और मैं डेट्स पे जा रही हूँ, you know, I'm kissing him and whatever, you will be okay.
Oh, I'm glad that you're sharing this with me.
I don't have a boyfriend, bro.
It's a good thing.
No,
If you're
like
telling me, so it doesn't come as a shock to me, right?
no, like what if I'm telling you like right now कि भाई मेरा boyfriend, like what do you feel about it? Like what are your feelings? Like what if I tell you that we both are dating our respective loved ones and we're very happy in a relationship? Like
So,
will you be happy for us, or will you एक चाटा मारने का मन करेगा कि ये एज में पढ़ने के सिवा ये क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं, मैं ये तो नहीं बोलूंगी चाटा मारने का मन करेगा. मैं ये जरूर बोलूंगी कि मतलब I'll be worried कि तुम लोग जहाँ पे भी हो सेफ हो, और जिस किसी के भी साथ हो वो एक रिलेशनशिप, जिसको हम वो वर्ड जो यूज होता है वो
अक्कल हो,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए,
बनने का.
और वो रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए
Yeah.
आपस में.
Would
That's
you
what
want to meet
matters.
him? Would you want to meet him?
Yes, maybe at a later stage.
Okay. So like you'll be okay with me not sharing like about him इतना, but just तुम्हें पता है कि मेरा boyfriend है, but I won't share इतना with you, but later on I will.
Okay, I'm okay with that, as long as there is
What?
transparency, and and I'm glad you're saying it, that okay, if you have a boyfriend, so I won't be shocked.
I am shocked भाई तुम क्या? I am freaking shocked.
I don't
My
think
God.
my mom would be okay with it.
Yeah, it's like everyone's perspective. Like, I also thought she won't be okay with it. You know, when I first started dating my first boyfriend, I went to my mother and she told me ki, look, don't get too attached. You still have time to explore. And what do you mean by that? Like, did you know? Did you know कि वो मेरा काटने वाला है इसीलिए तुमने ऐसा बोला? Or did you know that it's not gonna last, which is why you told me not to get too attached and not to explore?
नहीं. I think, you know, here what I mean to say is, Devika, that every relationship, it takes time. It takes time to understand. So when you were in your relationship, that was like too early for you to judge or comment on somebody.
So
or
you just didn't
even
want
on
me to
your
get hurt.
relationship.
You just didn't want me to get hurt.
Too committed.
Obviously. Yeah.
Point. Okay.
It was 16.
Okay. Next question. Okay. मैं अभी आपके पास आऊँ and I tell you that, you know, Mama, I am just very depressed. I feel very anxious. I feel very stressed. Do you think I'm overreacting or do you think you fuck yeah actually कि oh shit ये actually बहुत depressed है?
हाँ भाई तू बहुत कंट्रोल करती है ना अपने आप को मम्मी के सामने कॉल पे डांट खाती है इनसे.
What will you think? That do you think I'm overreacting or will you actually, you know, take measures to see if my depression is like?
Obviously, I would be worried and I would want to know कि क्या हो रहा है तेरे साथ.
But like, what if I'm overreacting?
अब ये तो सिचुएशन पे डिपेंड करता है ना, तू तब कैसे रिएक्ट करती
तो
है.
अगर मैं तुम्हें
मैं अभी
आज
से
आके
कैसे
अगर मैं तुम्हें कल आके बोलूँ कि I am depressed,
डिप्रेशन का कोई रीजन तो
लेकिन
होगा ना.
हाँ.
हर चीज के पीछे या जो कुछ भी होता है उसके पीछे एक वजह होती है. देयर इज अ रीजन. तो वो रीजन तो मैं जानूंगी ना तुझसे.
what if I'm
समझने की
like
कोशिश
what
तो
if I'm like
करूंगी.
not comfortable telling you the reason, but I'm just telling that I'm so depressed. Like, what if I'm just not comfortable revealing the reason?
Okay, then I think I'll give you your space.
You will?
I will.
You will?
Why not?
Really?
Yes.
मुझे जनरेशन शॉक मिल रहा है अभी थोड़ा सा.
भाई तुझे मुझे शौक मिल रहा है. Like, okay, fair enough.
Okay, should I ask my question now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, Rabia coming up.
So, like in college,
Come with
yeah, whatever, like college के बाद या कभी भी, who was your almost, मतलब like someone you didn't marry but like you were hoping to but you did not.
Did you date when you were
did
in
not
college?
end up with someone like
Oh
that.
my god, deep secrets. I'm scared.
I also do not know this, guys. Did you have a almost?
I think everyone has, okay? Everyone has. But
Did you
it's
have
up to but it's up to them.
Did you have a first love?
First love. I don't know whether you would call it a love, whether you would call it infatuation at that point in time. But yes, I think everybody goes through that when you are in your, you finish your school, you get into high school, you get into college, you meet new people. I mean, these feelings are quite natural.
To be fair, my dad is not your first love, right?
She did not say no.
So you broke up with the guy.
Can you tell us something about it?
Yeah, can you tell us like how did you like that love? Like, can you tell us why it was an almost?
That's what I'm trying to tell you here or explain you here, that I wouldn't really know if that was love. I wouldn't really know what happened
Who
at
broke
that
up?
age. I guess it was mutual.
Wow,
One thing,
this is good.
it is never mutual. It is someone is always more hurt. Or did you break his heart or did he? Be honest.
I really don't remember it at this
One
point
never
in time.
forgets their first love, guys.
But then
Come
again,
forward,
the question
yaar.
is, अरे हाँ भाई मैं इधर ही हूँ. The question is that she's claiming that's either love or infatuation. So
Okay, so you're not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
How many guys did you date?
Oh, that.
Did you date
That is-
multiple guys like during college? Did you like explore and have your time during college?
I enjoyed my college life. That's all I like to say at this point in time.
Bro, she used to go clubbing. She used to dance. She used to like her. You've seen her outfits? Like
Yeah.
I have some outfits. So you've seen her outfits. And
I love
safe to
dancing.
say, guys, my
Kendall
mom.
Jenner fails.
Yeah, my mom had a crazy college life. Like, yeah. मीठी भाई स्टूडेंट भाई क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हो? Anyways, okay, next question.
तेरा है.
मैं पूछूं, do you know the meaning of V card?
V card.
Yeah.
What's that?
Okay, so basically, acha. I am not in this. So V card basically means your virginity, like losing your virginity. So, do you think there is a right age to have sex?
Sex is, I would say, it happens with mutual consent. Okay. You need to have lot of maturity, lot of respect for the relationship, and that's when your body comes into the picture. So it's not just using the word sex casually. I don't think that makes more sense. As long as you're comfortable with the person, I think you can go all the way, knowing whether you have respect for each other, you're not going to hurt each other. That would make more sense, that relationship. Now whether if that is something is called you want to correlate it with sex, then fine.
But sex is a thing. Like, it is a thing. Like, the two bodies go like. Okay. Do you think there's a particular age for sex? Like, obviously, like you need to be
Obviously
18 plus,
you
right?
need, I think you need to be at least 18. Why 18? Because I wouldn't say that at 18 you're early that matured, because that's the time you actually explore things. So can't say that okay, 18 is the perfect age or something. No, you only learn it with the time. You have to grow with the time, grow with the person.
So basically, it's just that don't give your body away to anyone. You have to be very careful about who you choose to like.
Obviously,
Yeah. Okay,
because
but
that is something, it's not just body, it's your whole heart, your mind, your emotions, you're attached.
But these days there is a trend which is called a hookup culture. And basically, like, you have sex but you're not in a relationship with that person. So I don't think your entire heart is attached to that person. Like you're saying, like, basically what you're defining sex as a form of a love, which it is. But like these days, like hookup culture may, like, you don't love that person, you just want to hook up with them. What do you think about that? Like,
Do you really think that would last? That kind of a relationship would last? I have this question to
The viewers.
you and Rabia.
I don't think.
What do you
I don't
think?
think so
Would that
either.
last?
I don't think so
I-
either.
Oppose the hookup
Yeah.
culture.
Same.
I think that you yourself have mentioned what should be the answer.
अगर मैं कल आके बोलूँ कि a friend of mine or even I lost my virginity like tomorrow, you will slap me, right? कि ये सब क्या कर रही है?
Obviously.
Obviously. Like,
Obviously, I mean, this is not the time for all this. I think there's a lot to do at this point in time, and you do have your entire life ahead of you. First, try and know the person, be with the person.
Makes
yeah,
sense.
makes sense. आना भाई सबको Yeah, next question.
Okay. What was that question? I forgot. Wait.
You want me to ask one question of mine so you remember yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Wait. I don't remember. Okay. So if I get good marks, you say कि marks are not important, and तुम अपने लिए ये सब कर रहे हो, marks बिल्कुल important नहीं है. Discipline is important. But if I don't, it's not you. I'm not attacking you. I'm telling like entire parental ये. And if I don't get marks, तुम लोग बोलते हो कि marks कैसे नहीं आए, ये कैसे नहीं आए. So like, what exactly do you expect from your child? Like, क्या करूँ मैं? मतलब marks लाऊँ कि discipline पे focus करूँ कि क्या करूँ कि
Okay. Coming to the word discipline, I think it says it all. अगर discipline है हर चीज में, फिर वो पढ़ाई जरूरी नहीं है. It's about your routine life. Okay. Just doing general things, maybe waking up at the right time, having your breakfast, going for walks or doing some exercise, then studying, doing whatsoever you feel like. You
Does that
pursue
exist
your
in a
passions. But then as you mentioned that getting marks, don't focus on the word marks, but yes, it is very important for you to score good, because the world is competitive.
Yeah. Rabia.
Okay, so do you remember हम लोग ने जब bunk किया था and we got into trouble for that?
Okay.
Have you done something like as rebellious, like more rebellious than that as a child, and got like in trouble for it?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
So share your experience about it.
See, what y'all have done, you know, like bunking college and all, I understand. You know, ये एज पे ये सब होना ठीक है, it's okay. ये हम भी इस फेज से गुजर चुके हैं. बंकिंग कॉलेज किया था. हाँ किया था.
नहीं लाइक ऐसा कुछ जो पकड़े गए एंड फिर घर पे बहुत वाट लगी उसके बाद.
हाँ मैंने किया था. आई विल टेल यू. ये नवरात्रि की बात थी. एंड I think that time maybe I was in grade 11th or 12th, I don't remember. It was Navratri and I had gone out with my friends. And मैंने बताया नहीं घर पे कि कौन कौन है क्या है. तो and I came late at home, you know, and everybody was worried at home. So yeah, उस दिन मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी थी. तो यस मतलब आई गेस यू नो डांट पड़ना भी सही है. बिकॉज सेफ्टी इश्यूज होते हैं हर जगह. सेफ्टी को लेके ऑब्वियसली हम बोलते हैं कि बाहर जाना लेट जाना ठीक है, बट सेफ्टी is a concern. Okay, और आज looking at today's scenario, I mean anywhere you go, no place is safe actually, unless you really know, you know, how to handle yourself well. Don't trust anyone, and trust your instincts as well.
But like, if you've done all of that in your age, and if we do that now, why do we get shouting? Like, why do we get scolding?
See, देविका, the thing is, you know, एक experience होता है जहाँ से ये सब कुछ आता है. Okay, हमने भी we face this, you know, with our parents, with so you know your nani, nana, even you know they have also seen all of this. And the reason, it's not that parents are want to get you know throw आप लोग जैसे tantrums throw करते हो या नहीं बता के जाते हो, तो हमें सेफ्टी इश्यूज लगता है. कुछ हो गया तो कल हम कहाँ जाए, किसको अप्रोच करें. दैट्स द कंसर्न. और कोई रीजन नहीं है. और अभी मेरे ख्याल से कि आई थिंक दिस जनरेशन इज मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट इनफ, यू नो, एंड टू शेयर थिंग्स. व्हाई नॉट शेयर एंड देन गो, यू नो.
But
So
here
that
the
you are
problem
safe at
होता
the
है ना.
same time.
The reason that we're basically sitting and asking you questions is because not everyone has the same perspective as you. Some parents को अगर मैं open up करूँ तो मेरे को तो forever ground कर देंगे. Like ऐसा होता है, like if I do the same things that I'm doing right now, तो वो तो forever ground हो जाएंगे. उनको कभी बाहर जाने नहीं देंगे, उनको friend से contact कम हो जाएगा. तो it's about perspective. Like yes, this generation is transparent, but this generation we can only be transparent if the सामने वाला is transparent. Like
Agree,
you know,
but then that is again a two-way trust that you need to build with each other. It's a two-way trust. It doesn't work one way. It will never work one way.
makes sense. Okay. Oh, do you think controlling kids and you know like बार बार उनको चीजों, like if I want to go out and you keep on stopping me again and again and again, you try to control me, do you think controlling kids makes kids a better liar?
Controlling kids make
them a better liar. कि भाई they know that you're not going to allow them, so they might as well lie their way out.
No,
I know you guys relate
I
to
don't
it,
think
right?
controlling makes sense. I guess you're all teenagers now, and you all should know what are you all getting into. So controlling, I don't think that would really work. No, I don't think that works.
Okay. So my last question. इतना जल्दी खत्म हो रहा है. I feel like I am more anxious than Mama is in this video. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so my last question. So you know how it's a universal thing कि मेरी मम्मी को एक particular friend या चीजों के बारे में bad feeling आ रही है. Like you've had bad feelings about my past friends. And you told me about it, but I didn't listen to you, and those past friends just left me like I was nothing. Anyways, those past friends just left me like I was nothing. Like, can you describe that feeling? Like, how do you know that this person is bad for me before I get to know it? Is that motherly instinct?
Yes. Actually, you can say it's mother's instinct. Again, you know, see, we like for example, mothers. Okay, if let me talk about mothers here. Mothers know their children in and out. Okay, so their instinct will tell them, you know, what is it? Is this my child is going right or wrong, or what's happening with them? So maybe, you know, with you also same thing happened. I am not taking names here, but you know what happened. You know what happened with you, and you through so many tantrums that you know
I
you
fought with my mom for
yeah, you
them a
literally
lot.
fought with me for them, and you know what's the situation now. So you know, I think it's better to leave it here at this point, not taking names and not disclosing this further.
Yeah, but it's like, so you're basically just basing this on motherly instinct. Do you think motherly instinct is always right, or can it be wrong?
I think motherly instinct works to a great extent.
Okay. And okay, one, like, I have a situation for you, like, based on this chapter. If I suppose this is my friend and I get her, and she's not Rabia, she's someone else, and I get her, and you know, or she's my friend or my boyfriend. If I get her and you're like, you talk to her, and then when she goes, you get a very bad feeling कि भाई ये तो गंदा वाला धोखा देने वाली है, ये तो ये तो गंदा वाला धोखा देने वाली है. So would you try to stop me, or would you let me experience my experiences?
I think this answer we just discussed it in the last question you asked me. You've already experienced this with your friends. So
Yeah.
again, are you trying to tell me?
No,
that,
what
you
if
know,
it's a new experience? Like, what would you let me? Would you try to warn me, or would you
Just
try
try
to
to stop it.
हाँ, would you try to warn me कि भाई
मत
listen,
कर.
इससे दूर रहे, या stop it कि भाई तू इससे मिली तो देख आज के बाद वैसा.
I think even earlier I did the same thing. I'm going to try to warn you, but rest, I think it's up to you. You can also, you know, lie and then maybe go somewhere and talk to them. So I wouldn't want to be controlling here, but then at the same time, as I said, you know, I would want you to understand who are your true friends and who truly care for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have any more questions?
No, I just had 2 questions that I asked.
Did you enjoy
Yes.
the segment? I genuinely, it's like my
She's shaking. Like,
yeah, my eyes are like genuinely open. Like, I did not expect this. Like, I was very scared of this video. Like, honestly, like, मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था.
इतना डर लग रहा था कि मैं ऐसे होते जा रही थी.
That's why मैं ला रही थी भाई, तू ऐसी होगी तो मैं ऐसी
बाद
हो
में आ गई
जाऊंगी.
थी. Like starting में मैंने आज
Same. I was just like, I told Rabia, like, you know what, just please come to my house by hook or crook, because I'm so scared to film this video. I just need to see you. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took something from this video. Like, that's my only goal from this video. Do you want to say something else?
I just want to say,
Give them one advice. Like, I think all of them are teenagers.
okay, I would say explore your interests, your creativity. Go for it, but at the same time, take care of your well-being and your career goals as well. Yep, that's all.
Word.
Clocked it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi guys. So basically, Rabia has no idea about this, so watch her get surprised. So basically, there's this girl that watches our videos. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing her name wrong. Her name is Kyra, and basically her mom and her own a jewelry brand called sheshop.co.in. I'll attach their Instagram and everything, and she basically sent jewelry pieces for us, and it's right here. I haven't opened it. I wanted to open the package with you. And it is this. She sent jewelry for us, and this is so sweet. What the fuck? I wanted to surprise Rabia. I haven't told Rabia about this, and
Oh my god.
this is just like, thank you so much. Like, thank you so much to Auntie. Thank you so much to Kyra. Like, Auntie
I love
literally,
you guys. Thanks.
yeah, we literally love you. Love you guys so much. I was so excited. Like, this is the main reason why I called Rabia today, and Rabia had no idea about this. You want to
So
open
I
it?
thought you got something, and I was like, why did she get something? And you were like,
Do you want to open it? Okay, let's
Okay,
open it.
fine.
Wait. This is so beautifully packed. This is so beautifully packed. Hey gorgeous. Oh my god, she wrote hey gorgeous for us. This is so beautifully packed. I am genuinely so grateful for you guys. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, look, this is like the first earring. So freaking pretty. Oh my god. Rabia, look at the neck pieces. I told her that you wanted like a signature necklace kind of thing, and like you liked gold, and yeah. Literally love you guys. I literally love you guys. Look at the rings, guys. They are phenomenal.
This is insane.
I don't think I've ever used in such big words for anyone. We love you guys.
I have no words. Like, I don't know how to express, and I'm just grateful.
We
Thanks.
are genuinely so grateful for you guys, and
I don't wear rings, so you can go ahead with it.
thanks, yaar.
क्या हुआ?
Yes, the ring fit. The ring fit. This is
Devika is a big fan of
genuinely,
rings because
I
she's
love
original Buppy Larry.
freaking.
So she is gonna
I
wear
love
rings.
freaking. Do you wanna try a pendant? Wait, which one do you wanna try?
This
Yeah,
more like
this is so chic. Thank you so freaking much.
I'm just so grateful.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you love it? I knew you would. That's why I didn't want to tell you. Okay. हाँ, बाल कौन हटाएगा?
थोड़ा रोमांटिक होके खुद नहीं हटा सकती क्या?
Oh my god, you guys. It is so freaking pretty. Thank you so much. You guys go shop in the She Shop. She Shop. I love it. It's a mother-daughter owned brand, and I think it is just so cute. The jewelry is so chic.
I
And
will make sure my entire family buys from this.
exactly.
I will make sure.
And they have like more. They have the उनके websites में जो product है, they have more products than what they've listed in their website, and it's genuinely so amazing. Like, I love the quality. I think all of them are anti-tarnish, and yeah, go shop your jewelry. Go guys, go. Okay guys, we're getting very
Love
late.
you, Kaira.
Love you guys. We're so grateful. Thank you, Kaira. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much. Like, thank you. Bye.